Hi, my name is Trish Mackey-Smith. I'm CEO and co-founder of inndox, digital property logbooks. Imagine all of your property information in one place, accessible 24 hours. And what we're doing, we're solving a huge issue for builders. They're feeling overwhelmed. They have so many obligations now to provide certain information to their consumer. They must provide information about warranties, maintenance, contacts for the trades. And this is very difficult for them to do because they don't have the software. So we come in, inndox solves their problem. It's an online property management system, and it also has an after-sales service that's automated. Anthony, he's been a great customer since 2018. He's a well-respected apartment builder, and 11 of his property developments have gone onto inndox. And he loves the templates to help with compliance, so he meets all those obligations very easily. He loves setting alerts for warranty reminders, maintenance reminders, and safety checks. And the fact that it transfers from owner to owner means that his branding lives on and he can stay relevant and engaged with his first owner and all subsequent owners for the whole life cycle of the property. There are 2.5 billion properties in the world that could use an inndox logbook. We're going to acquire 5 million in the next 5 years and have all that data on inndox. So already we've got over 2,200 logbooks that have been issued by paying customers all around Australia. And we are definitely finding market fit. We've got 7 new B2B customers this week, and 19 are in the pipeline to be onboarded next week. We've also identified that there are other customer groups that could benefit from inndox and provide very high quality property data. So we have integrated our software with gyms. We have a strategic partnership in place, and over 5,000 of the gyms reports per month can get issued on an inndox logbook. This is huge traction. And not only that, while we've been working with gyms for the last 12 months, we saw another opportunity. Why not provide this service for other inspectors? So we're building right now, our devs are very busy, building a new e-commerce platform that will be wholly owned by inndox, operated by inndox, powered by inndox. It's called ratemy.inspectors.com. This will mean that inspectors can resell their reports and have ratings, a bit like Rate My Agent, but they're not a competition. Our business model is a SaaS and a monthly subscription for company-branded logbooks. And for Rate My Inspectors, there will also be a monthly subscription plus revenue. And we project that in 2 years' time, we'll have 900,000 monthly recurring revenue. There are other logbooks around the world, but we have this huge competitive advantage to get rapid traction and scale. We feel that we're at an inflection point. My name is Trish. I've been a property lawyer and a building consultant for 20 years with my co-founder, who's a commercial builder, certifier, and an award-winning building consultant. We have an awesome team, sales expert in selling software, a marketing guru, and 3 loyal devs who've been with us since 2018. And we have awesome mentors as well, highly experienced. Hi, Greg. So we plan to launch Rate My Inspectors. It's being built, should be launched by February, and we're doing that through gyms at their annual conference, and this will mean rapid traction. So In 2024, we're going to raise again, enter the UK market, and then sell by a trade sale, exit by a trade sale. So our business plan details the application of funds for an 18-month runway. And we will be scaling the ratemy inspectors, promoting that, and also meeting the obligations and the milestones in order to be prepared for the Series A. By the way, we're raising $1 million. I should have said that. So thank you very much. We're on a mission. We want to bring trust and transparency into the property industry. Come and talk to me if you're interested. Thank you.